You're all having a great day. I am Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. And in today's video, I am going to be testing my cloud pour cup. That's what I'm calling it. I did one experiment with it already, one test, and turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. You can see all the clouds in there, super cloudy. Love these poofy clouds. And in that one, I used both of the front chambers. If you can see, there's two chambers here. There's actually two, it's not one. This spout is actually touching the back of that spout, so you can either use one or the other. So in this experiment, I'm only going to use one of the spouts, or one of the chambers. Now each chamber I actually measured. The last one I did not, but this one I did. Each side holds 1 tablespoon. So that's really enough cloud mix for you to use, and especially for this 6-ounce cup. And I'm reusing a canvas. It is an 11 by 14. And I've got some really pretty colors that I'm using today. This one is from Art Minds. That I don't even know. I kind of forgot I had it. It's an older paint. It's brushed oh my gosh, can't even talk. Brushed metallics, and it's turquoise. And then I've got 3 from DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics. This one is copper. I've also got the 24 karat gold, and also antique copper, or excuse me, antique bronze. And then this color, which is this one here, is Master's Touch Burnt Sienna. But what I did was I took this, the Burnt Sienna, and I added some, let me move this, I added some of the Vallejo Pearl Medium to it, and it gave it just a little bit of shimmer. You can kind of see how pretty that looks. Jazzed it up just a little bit. So, in this cup here, I've got my cloud effect mix, and I just have a little bit left. I need to make a new batch here pretty soon, and that should really be enough for me to put in one side. And then I did a drip test actually, just to make sure that my colors were pretty close, and you can see they kind of are now. I'm not using this one. So the rest of them are pretty good, not too much difference there. So we should be pretty good to go. And for the cloud effect mix, I do have a video where I mixed that, so I'll link that in the description. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. And I think I'm going to pour, I don't really know if it's going to make a difference. That could be another experiment, but I'm going to pour it into just one of the chambers. And like I said, each one holds a tablespoon. So I mean, that's pretty much all I've got in here. Is just trying to use up all of it so I can make a new batch. And that's pretty close. I could scrape it out, but I'm not gonna do that right now. So, and then in this side, I'm gonna use this turquoise. So let's just put a little bit of that in there. It's sneaking up on me. I gotta make sure I don't spill it down the side. There we go. You can see that it's in there right there. Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna start just putting the rest of my colors in. See how pretty that looks. I love those colors. I've used different variations of this color combination with, you know, like the turquoise and with these metallic colors. They always look so pretty. All right, so here we go. All right, everybody, here we go with the dried photos, and I am super happy with how this painting dried. I'm also really excited about how my cloud cup performed. I got amazing results. I've got the top chamber, the main chamber, and then the two front, which holds the cloud pour mix and then another color. And the way that the main chamber paint comes out, it's like a waterfall. It goes into the other spout and then comes out, and it is almost like a pillow. So then when the cloud pour mix comes out, and you can see right here how that other color just enhanced the clouds. So I'm really loving the results that I'm getting with this cup, and I would love to hear what you guys think, so leave me a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and also to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And one way that really helps me out is to share this video. So if you think there's someone may enjoy it, go ahead and share it with them. It really does mean a lot, and I do appreciate it. All right, and for those of you that love cloud pours as much as I do, my new cloud pour cup will be available very soon in my Etsy shop, so stay tuned for that. All right, guys, I really do hope you enjoyed my video today, and I've got a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy as well, and I will catch you in the next one.